Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make samosa at home, full guide. Start by making a firm dough with flour, oil, and water, and rest it briefly. Prepare spiced potato and pea filling with turmeric, coriander, and lemon juice. I will guide you through rolling, filling, sealing, and frying or baking for perfect golden samosas. I'll also share storage tips and batch-making tricks to save time and keep them crispy. Start by measuring flour and adding oil, salt, and just enough water to bind into a stiff dough. Knead for a few minutes until smooth, then cover and rest to relax the gluten. Resting makes rolling easier and prevents shrinkage during frying. While the dough rests, prepare the filling and gather your tools so assembly moves smoothly and quickly when you are ready to shape samosas. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make storing leftover samosas so easy and tidy, and they save fridge space too. They are great for packing lunches or freezing batches for later, and they seal reliably so sauces don't leak. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook mashed potatoes with onions, peas, and spice seasonings until moist but not soggy. Taste and adjust salt, lemon, or chili to balance flavors before cooling slightly for assembly. Roll dough, form pockets, and spoon filling without overstuffing to maintain shape. Seal edges with flour paste and fry in medium hot oil until golden, or brush with oil and bake for a lighter option that still delivers crisp results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.